In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to create a video using the Video Agent option in the home page of the HeyGen website application. We will create a video that illustrates the health benefits and deliciousness of dark chocolate. Starting from the home page, click on the Video Agent and then we'll create the initial text. Click on the forward arrow icon on the text box and our AI video agent will come up with a set of criteria to create a new video based on your script. We can then view the criteria and decide what we want to change. Based on the criteria, we will change our avatar to be that of a middle-aged European man. We will change our music theme to be calm and relaxing. We will disable captions. And lastly, we will change the video length to be approximately 25 seconds. I also wanted to show you that you can ask the AI questions to explain the different options under each criteria. Let's ask the AI what criteria we have for supplemental footage. Now that we are ready, we will type in yes to tell the AI video agent that we are happy with the criteria values, and it will create the video for us. Let's skip over some of the waiting time. Let's preview the video on dark chocolate.
Hello, let's explore dark chocolate, a true superfood. This treat is packed with powerful antioxidants from cocoa beans, vital for health. Dark chocolate supports heart health and acts as a natural mood booster. Its rich, smooth taste offers an
Let's also view the share options and download the video.
Hello, let's explore dark chocolate, a true superfood. This treat is packed with powerful antioxidants from cocoa beans.
I also wanted to go over the video options that are more discreet and less optional. For music theme options, you can choose from uplifting and positive, corporate and professional, calm and relaxing, energetic and upbeat, as well as cinematic and dramatic. For video orientation, you can pick from either portrait mode or landscape. And for captions, they can either be enabled or disabled. As shown previously in this tutorial, the supplemental footage can be from stock media, AI illustration, or user-uploaded media. The no B-roll options means that no background will be generated. Other options, such as avatar and voice, are more dynamic in nature, so you can use your imagination to update these. Keep in mind that your avatar's traits are also generated to suit your topic, and some voice characteristics would include your avatar's gender, age, and accent. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and and please sign up for HeyGen using my free affiliate link in the description of this page.